there's a volcano about to erupt in Dino Land. And Groody, the oracle, has all the babies. We are in danger! Please call Paw Patrol! Everybody has to run for their lives! Oh, I have a phone call from the oracle in Dino Land. What's going on, oracle?
Help! Help! The babies are in the volcano, and the volcano is about to erupt.
Oh my God, we have to hurry. Let me call all the pups. Calling all the pups. Pups, now. Thank you for hustling, pups. We have a situation. The dinos are in the volcano, and it's about to erupt.
God.
We have to save them, but we need everybody to help.
Hi, Ryder. Can I make a suggestion?
Go ahead, Sky. What suggestion is that?
Volcano.
Can we talk to the Transformers to help? The Transformers? Oh, that's a great idea. Thank you, Sky. Let me call them. Calling all Transformers. Calling all Transformers. Okay, who's here? Oh, thank you for coming, Transformers. There are more. Okay, we have Dozer, Boulder, Blaze. Thank you so much for coming, guys. We're gonna need your help. The dinos are in a volcano. We need to save them all. Can you transform? Yes, we can. Ready to help. Thank you, Transformer friends. Now we have to go to save the dinos. Let's go. Wait, let me call my puppies first. Puppies, come in your vehicles.
Got it, Ryder.
Hustling pups and Transformers. We have to go help.
And Ricky's
Now let's go. Hi, Ricky Zoom. Thank you. You're welcome, my friend. Let's go, Zuma. Your ship is in the store, in the warehouse, getting fixed. So let's go. Let's move out. Rocky, Sky, come on. Okay, I'm gonna save you guys too. Come on, guys. Let's get them. Let's look at the babies. They need to be saved. They are in the volcano with the oracle. Okay. What can we do, Ryder? Let me think about it. Hold on. It has to be fast. I see that he has a baby on his head. We have to
Oh my
save him. Okay, Ryder, I'm here. I'm on the top of the volcano. Who can I save? Save as many as you can. I have a tiny triceratops. And I have... I have the baby T-Rex. There's one up there. Let me go get it. Okay, Ryder, I have like 5 babies here. Okay, Sky, thank you. Take them to the magical forest.
Okay, we are here.
Okay, guys. Ryder, it's Rocky. I have a baby Pteranodon and other babies here with me. Good job, Rocky. Thank you. Oh, this is the baby. Oh, he's flying. Ryder, I have others here with my bulldozer. Thank you. Thank you, Rebel. Oh, Ryder. Yes, Zuma. Good. I have these on top of one of the Transformers, on top of Dozer. Okay, Zuma. Thank you. Great job. Ryder, it's Chase. I have a baby Triceratops with me, and Boulder is helping me. Hello. Let's get out of here. Good job. Good job. This is Blaze. There is a big mom Brachiosaurus in the volcano. Can I go save her? Yes, go ahead, Blaze. Okay, thank you. Oh, mírala.
Okay, Mama, Brachiosaurus is
It's too heavy. It's too heavy. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Oh no! I did it. I did it. Hey! Pops, I know that you guys are busy, so I'm gonna talk to Dozer, see if we can save the last dinosaur. I have it here. Thank you, Dozer. Whoa, he saved it? Yes. I'm the best. I'm the best. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Everybody's happy. Dear Oracle, I'm really glad that we were able to help.
Hey!
You, Ryder, you guys were great. I'm really excited. Yay! Pops, thank you for your amazing job, dear Transformers. Thank you for an amazing job. Zuma, thank you for being there. You're welcome, dude. Thank you, babies. Next time you have to be careful and listen, okay? You have to be careful and be good boys. The Oracle has spoken. We are in the Enchanted Forest. So now you have to behave and be good children, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ryder. Oh, I see Bumpy. Bumpy's still in the volcano.
Oh my god.
Bumpy's still over there. Let me save it. Thank you, Blaze. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. That was awesome, guys.
Yeah, Mama.
Oh, Ryder, I'm so sorry. But I just had information that the babies are back in the volcano. Oh, Ryder, can you go help them? God, Oracle, don't tell me that. The babies are back in the volcano? Let me call that Marshall and Chase. Chase, Marshall, I need you guys to bring the Dino rescue, the Dino Patroller. Okay, Ryder, we're gonna go get it now. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate your help. Okay, Ryder, we are ready to go. Something to eat soon. I'm gonna eat this thing. Ooh, what is that? Oh, put it in my mouth, please. Oh, this is delicious. Give me more. Give it to me now. Give me. No, I'm gonna eat the babies. Give me more paper. Where's the paper?
Oh my god.
Give me more. If not, I'm gonna eat the babies. Surprisingly good. I'm gonna go to a corner and eat it. Okay, now that the Tirano is gone, let's save the babies. We have to put them in the Dino Patroller.
Here.
There.
Ida, where are my friends?
Thank you. Hurry up. Hurry up, guys. While the Tirano is eating his paper, we need to save all the babies. This is delicious. Are they ready? Oh, where are the babies? They took them. Tiene que venir alguien contra el tirano. Oh, the paper was not enough. Oh, the Transformers are coming and Sky. Ah, no. Oh, help. Woo. Oh, it's Blaze. Ah. Bye, everybody. Bye. Woohoo! Thank you, everybody. Oh, our babies are here. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you. No, wait. Now we have to save the babies first.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Y ahora, Marshall and Chase, you did a great job. You're welcome, Ryder. We were doing our jobs. Thank you so much. Everybody, whenever your volcano is erupting and your dinosaurs are in trouble, just yell for help. Woohoo! Let's go! You did a great job, guys. I'm really proud of you. And it so happens that the Tirano is a mom. And that's her baby.
Can I have my baby, please? Oh, can I hug him? Oh, thank you. That's why I was trying to get la 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 lee.
So whenever you have a dino who's hungry and losing his baby, just call us for help. Thank you.